In a quiet meadow, where flowers swayed like dancers and birds sang morning songs, there lived a small spider named Suri. Suri was no ordinary spider. Her webs shimmered like silver in the sunlight, glistening with tiny rainbow sparkles when the wind kissed them. Every morning, Suri carefully spun her web between two tall blades of grass. Round and round, thread by thread, she hummed. Her web wasn't just her home, it was her masterpiece. But there was one problem. Every few days, rain would visit the meadow. He was gentle at first, pattering softly on the leaves, but soon his drops grew heavy. And whenever rain came, Suri's delicate web would break apart. "Oh no, not again!" Suri sighed one morning as her web dissolved into shimmery threads sliding down the grass. "Why must you always ruin my hard work, rain?" From above, a cool voice answered. "I don't mean to ruin things, little spider," said Rain, his drops falling like crystal beads. "I bring water for the flowers, fill the streams for the fish, and make the grass grow tall for you to build on." "But you destroy my web," Suri argued, her eyes brimming with frustration. "Every time I build, you wash it away." Rain sighed softly. "I wish you could see that I'm not your enemy, Suri. I'm just part of the world, like you." That night, Suri sat beneath a curled leaf, staring at the broken strands of her web. "What's the point of trying if rain will only destroy it?" she whispered sadly. Just then, a firefly landed nearby, glowing like a tiny lantern. "Why are you sad, Suri?" "My webs never last," Suri said. "Rain washes them away." The firefly flickered warmly. "But don't you notice? Each time you rebuild, your web becomes stronger and more beautiful." "That's perseverance, my friend, trying again, even when things get hard." Suri thought about this. It was true, her first webs had been thin and clumsy. But now, each strand was finer, each circle straighter, each design lovelier than before. She lifted her head proudly. "Then I'll build again. And I'll keep building, no matter how many times rain comes." And so she did. The next morning, Rain returned. His drops sparkled like diamonds as they fell. Suri braced herself, expecting her web to collapse. But this time, something magical happened. As rain dripped gently onto her new web, droplets clung to the threads, turning it into a dazzling necklace of pearls. The sun peeked through the clouds, and the web shone like a rainbow in the sky. Suri gasped. "It's beautiful. Rain, you made my web sparkle." Rain chuckled softly. "I may wash your work away sometimes, but I also help make it shine. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye."